Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this video I will be unboxing and reviewing the ultimate microphone setup for my MacBook Pro. I decided not to save my money this time and I got myself the legendary XLR microphone, the Shure SM7B, alongside with Elgato WAVE XLR audio interface. Additionally, I added Elgato WAVE Mic Arm with a cable management channel. The total price of this setup is around $700, which is by the way more expensive than my first car. I will explain to you why this setup works particularly well with macOS, and I will try to help you decide whether you need this expensive gear or not. And finally, I will answer one important question. Is it really worth the money to purchase such an expensive microphone? Does it sound good enough for its price? Do I regret my purchase 1 month later? I will also compare the Shure's SM7B sound quality with some other budget USB microphones I already own, so you will be able to judge by yourself. But before starting the actual video, I just want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and activate notifications for all my future videos. I would really appreciate your support. Without losing more of your time, let's go straight to the topic of this video. So let's start with the unboxing. Inside the Shure SM7B microphone package, you will not find many things to look for. Just a small sticker, the microphone itself, and an additional pop filter, alongside with a little cable management accessory. And by the way, the XLR cable is not included in the box, so you have to purchase it separately. The Shure SM7B is a popular dynamic microphone known for its versatility and high-quality sound reproduction. It is often used in professional recording studios and broadcasting environments, as well as by podcasters and content creators. The Shure SM7B is a legendary microphone that has been widely used in the professional audio industry for several decades. You can regularly see it on TV shows and on radio. The SM7B was first introduced by Shure in 1973 as a high-quality dynamic microphone for studio recording and broadcasting applications. It was designed to address the needs of professionals who required a reliable and versatile microphone. The original SM7 model, known as SM7A, was primarily used in radio stations and recording studios. It gained popularity for its smooth and warm sound reproduction, as well as its ability to reject unwanted background noise. In 2001, Shure released an updated version of the microphone, known as SM7B. So yes, you're right, this microphone is over 20 years old now, and it cost $400. It can indicate two things: whether all people who are buying the Shure SM7B are completely stupid, or this microphone definitely has some exceptional qualities. By the way, even Michael Jackson used SM7B as his primarily vocal microphone on many of his iconic tracks. Over the years, the SM7B has become a go-to microphone for a wide range of applications beyond broadcasting and studio recording. It has found popularity among podcasters, voice-over artists, musicians, and content creators due to its versatility, durability, and excellent sound quality. Today, the SM7B continues to be highly regarded in the professional audio community. Its distinctive sound signature, which emphasizes mid-range frequencies, is often used for vocals, spoken words, and capturing instruments such as electric guitars and drums. Throughout its history, the SM7B has earned a reputation for its reliability, durability, and exceptional sound quality. Its distinctive appearance and iconic status in the audio industry have contributed to its continued popularity and widespread use. Here are some key features and details about the Shure SM7B. The SM7B is a dynamic microphone, which means it is rugged, durable, and can handle high sound pressure levels without distortion. It is particularly suitable for capturing vocals and spoken words. It has a cardioid polar pattern, which means it primarily captures sound from the front and rejects sound from the sides and rear. This helps reduce background noise and unwanted room reflections. The microphone features an internal shock mount system that minimizes handling noise and vibrations, ensuring clean and clear recordings. The SM7B has 3 manual switchable frequency response settings. The flat setting provides a neutral response, while the presence boost offers tailored enhancements to match different recording scenarios. The Shure SM7B uses an XLR connection, which is the standard professional audio connector. This means it requires an audio interface or mixer with XLR inputs to be used with your computer. The build quality of this microphone is really exceptional. It's made with good quality metal and it's pretty heavy and solid, so make sure to invest in a solid microphone arm. Its design is really simple and will fit perfectly any studio or any specific setup. So now I will record a little sample recording so you can hear the raw, unprocessed sound from the Shure SM7B without sound effects or any post-production editing. Now, the sound comes from the legendary Shure SM7B without any presets or post-production effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This microphone costs around $400 and it requires an audio interface with XLR connector to work with your PC or Mac. Now the sound comes from Tonor TC30 microphone without any presets or post-production effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The price of this microphone is $42.99. It's good for most people out there, it's simple to use, it has good looking design and 2 accessories already included in the box. Now the sound comes from my Blue YETI Nano mic without any presets or post-production effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This microphone costs around 100 euros. It does not have USB-C connector and does not include a pop filter in the box. Now the sound comes from my standard built-in studio mic from my MacBook Pro 16-inch with M1 Pro chip. Apple says it has some improved quality mics. Well, I would not rely on this mic for anything more serious than a FaceTime call. As the Shure SM7B is quite a heavy microphone, I purchased Elgato WAVE Mic Arm with cable management channel. It's a very solid microphone arm and I like the idea of hiding cables. It comes in a simple paper box, really easy to install on your desk, and it just works. As always, Elgato makes great products. So, as you probably guessed, to connect the Shure SM7B to my Mac, I had to purchase an audio interface with an XLR connector. So there are a lot of different options on the market today, but I needed something that would have a USB Type-C port and will have enough gain, as the Shure SM7B is quite a demanding microphone and it needs a lot of power to work properly. So I decided to buy Elgato WAVE XLR. Inside the package you will find just the WAVE XLR audio interface and USB-C to USB-A cable. I also purchased separately an Elgato braided XLR microphone cable. The quality of this cable is really exceptional. So going back to the WAVE XLR audio interface. First of all, I bought it because it has native software called WaveLink that works on macOS. It is not the case with some other popular audio interfaces like Go XLR Mini, for example. The audio interface itself is very simple. It has one giant scrolling wheel to manually adjust the volume level. You can connect this device with a simple USB-C to USB-C cable directly to your Mac without any USB dongles. WAVE XLR does the work of multiple devices and packs features you won't find in conventional audio interfaces, like proprietary anti-distortion technology, a capacitive mute button, direct integration with custom WaveLink mixing software. The Elgato WAVE XLR gives you up to 75 dB of ultra-low noise gain for notoriously intensive dynamic mics like the SM7B to sound loud and clear, while 48 volts of phantom power bring condenser mics to life. Now you don't need to watch the levels while live, nor attempt to salvage distorted audio in post-production. The proprietary clip guard technology does the job for you. The result is clean and audio is really good, no matter how loud you scream. Another advantage of this little audio interface is its size. I don't like cluttering my workspace with huge mixers, and I really need only one XLR port to connect my Shure SM7B to my Mac, a USB-C connectivity to connect it to my Mac without any dongles, and a 3.5 jack for live monitoring. The WAVE XLR gives me everything in a simple design. So the WaveLink software is basically a virtual mixer that allows you to easily adjust sound levels from various applications and really fine-tune your microphone specifically to your needs. It's great for live streaming, recording voice-offs, and other microphone-related tasks. And most important, it's simple, so even beginners will be able to understand how it works. You can even change the color of the LED light on your WAVE XLR audio interface. How cool is that? So if you purchased the same setup, here's a quick tip for you how to adjust your microphone to sound like a pro. In the WaveLink software, adjust your microphone gain level. I would recommend something between 50 and 56. If you will go higher, it will capture too much background noise and your voice will sound a bit awkward. Do not activate phantom power because you are using dynamic XLR microphone. You don't need phantom power for that. Don't forget to activate the clip guard. You can also add different effects, but it's a topic for a separate video. Verdict. Guys, let's be honest, it's expensive. Even if the Shure SM7B is a legendary broadcast radio microphone, I don't think it's actually worth its price. And don't get me wrong, it's the best dynamic XLR microphone that exists on the market today. You don't need this gear unless you're a professional broadcaster, podcaster, or TV show guy. Remember that the most important thing is not your gear and the price of your microphone, but the quality of the content you are making. There are people on YouTube who are recording their videos on their smartphones and they are getting millions of views. Personally, I decided to purchase and use this microphone because I always dreamed to have this legendary dynamic microphone since I was a teenager. But honestly, don't expect it to be like mind-blowing in comparison with other dynamic microphones. If you already have a decent quality dynamic microphone and you're happy with it, there is no need to purchase Shure SM7B. Again, take into consideration that you would have to invest additionally into the audio interface and XLR cable and the mic stand, so the overall price will be something like $700 bucks. The WAVE XLR audio interface is really amazing and is definitely one of the best. It simply works and this is its biggest feature. It's simple to set up, just connect one part of the USB-C cable to your Mac and another part to the audio interface, then connect the XLR cable to the mic and to the WAVE XLR, insert your monitor headphones and you're ready to go. Additionally, you can use a free WaveLink software to really fine-tune your sound like you want. So, simple conclusion, if you don't care about the budget and you want to have the best of the best, go for it and purchase the Shure SM7B alongside with WAVE XLR audio interface. On the other hand, if your budget is limited, but you still want to get decent audio quality for your videos, live streamings, or other content creation, check out other more budget gear. It will probably fit you best. The Shure SM7B is like a Rolls-Royce car. You can drive it to go from point A to point B, but you can also drive your cheap 10-year-old Ford car and you will still arrive at your destination. Do I regret my purchase? Yes and no. I think I could have been continuing recording with my budget Blue YETI microphone and the quality would be just okay. But since I got the best of the best, now I have the best microphone, so it's cool and nice. Since I don't really care about the budget, it's fine for me. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tech-oriented content. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel as well. See you later on YouTube. Bye bye.